Hello guys, welcome again. So this is demonstration to make the garlic ginger potion version 2. I had a lot of complaints last time because I didn't do this thing in English. So this attempt to do this thing in English with some improvements. Okay, so the ingredients. We have 5 ingredients. The first one is garlic, second is ginger, third is lemon, then we also have apple cider vinegar and also honey. Right, so next the method or the recipe would be using the formula 1 1 1 1 3. So actually, it means that we use 1 part of garlic juice, 1 part of ginger juice, 1 part of lemon juice, and 1 part of apple cider vinegar. So all of this we will simmer until it decreases to 3 parts. And then we wait until it cools down before we add the 3 parts of honey. Okay, the equipments that we need, one is the juicer, just a cheap one, you can use any cheap juicer, and then the pot, stirrer, and some bottles. So this bottle is to keep the product that we would get at the end. This thing should be enough to for you to consume in 1 month. And one thing we notice is that all of the equipment are non-metallic. Okay, first we make the garlic juice. This is one of the most frequently asked question. How do we make garlic juice? Some people said that we add water and we blend, then we we do something to get the juice. Actually, we have a very simple way without needing to add any water at all. So we just use this juicer. So here we just add garlic into the juicer. Okay, and now I turn on the juicer. Okay, so this is the garlic juice after we have done juicing it. So we see the juicer would separate the juice from the waste. Okay, and here from that one bowl just now, we are able to get actually more than 200 milliliters of garlic juice. So for today, let's try a 200 milliliter recipe. So that all of the parts will be 200 milliliters. So now we will put this thing into the pot. Okay, and then we will do the same thing for ginger. Okay, for ginger juice, just some note. Ginger is highly fibrous, so if you juice it, the fiber might clog the juicer, so you might have to clean it up several times. So let's see. see how hard I had to push the this thing compared to the garlic one that we did just now. So now let's clean up the juicer first before I add new ones. Okay, so that is our garlic juice. No, sorry, that is our ginger juice. So I'm mixing this thing inside our pot. So next we will do the lemon juice. Okay, so now this for the lemon juice. This one is already peeled and cut so that I can easily put it inside the juicer. Okay, so this is our lemon juice. So let's add it to our pot. Okay, so this is the 3 parts. Alright. And since the formula is 4 parts, simmer down to 3 parts. So let's take measurement right now for the 3 parts. So that's the height which we want to simmer down to. Okay, before we add the 4th part, which is the apple cider vinegar. So just remember that that level. So it's okay. So the 4th part is the apple cider vinegar. I usually use Bragg apple cider vinegar. So this one comes with, or not comes with, it is with the mother. But the mother is the drag that you see at the bottom of the bottle. So if you that is the good one, or the good thing. So make sure that we have that by shaking the bottle before we pour it into our pot. Okay. Okay, so you see that it settles very quickly. So before you pour it, just shake it first. So let's pour it immediately. Okay, done. Okay, so that is our 4-part mixture ready to simmer. Okay, so now we have started to simmer the mixture. So put the pot on the smallest fire or the smallest flame that your stove can do. This one would take about 40 minutes to 1 hour. Just a precaution. Close all your doors to your rooms inside your house, because your house is going to smell. Okay, so let's leave this thing simmering on its own for about 40 minutes to 1 hour. So you can come back after that much time. It is simmering with a low fire or low flame. Okay, it has been 45 minutes, so we see that it has gotten down to the 3 parts level that we have indicated just now. So now we can turn off the flame. So let this thing cool down. I'm not sure how many hours, just let it cool down to room temperature before we add honey to it. Okay, welcome back. So now the mixture is already cool. So now let's add some honey. So I will add 3 cups of this honey. Let's see what happens. So it turns into that color. I'm not sure it is a bit brown. Some people told me they got it a bit green, so I don't know. I guess if you put in the right ingredients, whatever you get, that's what you're gonna get. Okay, anyhow, I'm gonna add some more honey, but I'll just add it right here. So how are you going to take this? Each morning, before you take anything, drink this. How much? As much as this spoon. Okay, this is a soup spoon. I think you can get this thing at Chinese shops. Sorry. Okay, and you can keep this potion or mixture in the fridge. Okay, I guess that's all. Thank you very much. Happy experimenting.